Well, hello friends and family. I wanted to do a quick update on these truck tire planters I made back on June the 14th. And if you haven't seen that video, that's the video, got tires? Well, then you got a garden planter totally for free, because there was a special way I filled up these truck tires. I used 3 different ingredients. I just wanted you to see just how well they're doing. And you might remember, especially if you watch my video on what happens when deer come to dinner, these cantaloupes were ate all the way back to nothing but vines. And look at them now. They resprouted, spread out, and they are just so full of blooms. They're just all up through there. You see? And they've come on out here, about to the edge of the cardboard. So I'm going to be thinking about setting up some trellising for them. And the peppers. Ooh, they're doing fine too. There's one right there. Another one on the other side right there. They're all full of blossoms, as you can see. And small tiny peppers. And these are the Bonnie green bell peppers. We'll go over here to the other side of this one. Like I say, you can see the blossoms everywhere. Right in there. And then looky right here. Hid right down in there is that big giant green bell pepper. But I'm just amazed at how well the plants are doing in these truck tire planters. Didn't cost me anything. Go over here to the second one here again. Take a look at that cantaloupe. I was really worried when the deer ate this one down completely. They ate all the leaves off of it, some of the vines. It looked pretty naked, but it's come back strong too. As has this Park's Whopper tomato plant. The deer had ate it down to nothing but stems and a nub. It's took right back off. Here's another Bonnie green bell pepper, all full of blossoms and small peppers forming. And then right back here in the back, this is a lunchbox pepper. You can see right here, the little lunchbox peppers forming. More down in there. Then you look up here in the top. Every top's just full of blossoms and forming peppers. Just amazing growth in these truck tire planters. So I just want to do a quick video today. Show you what they look like, just in case you got some tires and you'd want to make some. And if you don't got tires, like I said in the video when I was putting them together, you can go to about any tire shop, ask them for used tires, tell them what you need them for, and they'll be more than glad to give them to you. And they make a nice planting bed that'll last for many more years to come. Like I said, it takes over 50 years for a tire to degrade. There's no other material you could use to make planters, except maybe concrete and steel, that would last just as long. And this way, you're recycling something that would just be burned or put in the landfill. So there you have it. Hope you liked this little short video. If you do, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and until the next time, we'll be seeing y'all in the next video. Y'all take care. Stay safe out there. God bless. Goodbye for now.